So would you like to be the artist who made that in about a couple of minutes with no camera, no editor, and no After Effects timeline? Hi everyone, Andy here from Mr. Yoo-Hoo. I've just been playing with an AI tool that has honestly shocked me in the best way. As a creator, I'm used to needing a whole production line to get a proper music video. Videographer, editor, hours in Premiere, stock footage, plugins, the lot. Now, I can drop a song or drop some prompts into a website, click a button, and get a full AI music video back with sync visuals, motion, and even lyrics on screen. I literally managed to create the Mr. Yoo-Hoo soundtrack with me singing Mr. Yoo-Hoo lyrics all just then, and it was absolutely incredible. It's probably one of the best tools I've ever used. The tool is called Freebeat AI, and they call it the world's first AI music video agent. In simple terms, it's an AI music video generator that you can take almost any song, your own track, an AI song from Suno or Udio, or even a YouTube or Spotify link, and turn it into a ready-to-post music video in one click. No editing timeline, no After Effects, no training course required. But above that, you can also give it prompts to create a video and music song around what you need. So in this video, I'm actually going to show you how to do it. Live, you're going to see how I do different examples. We're going to turn a normal prompt into a music video in a few clicks. Try singing mode, where a character literally performs the track. Storytelling mode for something more cinematic, and automatic mode. We just want fast, one-click magic. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description or pinned comment. That's my Freebeat link and code. It gives you a discount on Pro and also supports the channel. Now guys, let's jump across to one of the videos I just created and let me know what you think.
Click it, try it, I'll review it. If it's worth your time, we'll prove it. Good, bad, love it or lose it. You watch, I'll run you through it.
Sorry guys, wasn't that funky? I absolutely love that song and I created it all along. So how did I do it? Well, here is the Freebeat AI dashboard. The heart of everything is the agent section. Freebeat calls this the AI music video agent, and it's basically a control room for music, videos, album covers, and more, all in one place. I'm gonna start with something you care about. Taking this song and turning it into a full music video. Step one is absurdly simple. Paste your music. Up here, I could drop a link from Suno, Udio, YouTube, Spotify, SoundCloud, or whatever. I can upload my own audio file. If it's a track, I've exported myself. Paste the audio in and let Freebeat analyze it. Once the track is in, Freebeat asks, what kind of video do you want? So the three main creation modes inside the agent: singing, storytelling, and automatic. Singing mode is for performance style music videos, where an artist or character is actually singing to the track. Storytelling mode is more like a cinematic narrative video that evolves with the music. And automatic mode, guys, is pure speed. You give it a simple idea, and the agent decides the structure, pacings, and visuals for you. Now, because I'm a very busy creator, I don't have lots of time on my hands. So I'm gonna start by using the automatic because it gives you a really good idea about how you can use the functions really quickly. And this one, it can take you very, very quickly to do it. Just have a look. Down here, I type a basic idea. I'll put something like make a dynamic music video for a tech YouTube channel called Mr. Yoo-Hoo. Futuristic city, neon lights, camera flying through scenes, upbeat, energetic. Now I hit generate. And this is the bit that blew me away for the first time. Guys, Freebeat isn't just slapping random stock clips on top of a song. The agent actually analyzes the track, finds a beat, the sections, and the transitions. It then builds scenes around that. It syncs motion to the rhythm, moves the camera, switches angles, and edits the music automatically. And that's the thing, it actually creates real new content using AI. So a lot of ones I've worked with in the past either don't create it well enough, or when they do create it, it looks poor. But the quality, the imagination, and the actual editing style of this is quite incredible. And on the side, you can let you see it thinking through the steps, planning out scenes, styles, and transitions. And you'll be seeing the results on screen just now. Let's have a quick look, and I'll come back to you in a moment.
Click play on Mr. You, brought to you by Udio. Reviews unbox a crew. If it's worth it, we'll break it down true.
Well, there you go. So you can see the visuals are moving with the beat. The camera feels alive. The cuts land on the music. And guys, I haven't opened a traditional editor at all. God, it's nuts, isn't it? For me, as a creator, that alone is already useful for things like channel trailers, intros, quick TikToks, and reels. And this, guys, you can actually become your own actor in your own movie. You can put yourself in a movie and create it around you. You can create your own video. It's so amazing when you see your face doing these songs. It's brilliant. And this is a mode I use for more cinematic posts. Storytelling reels, lyric videos with narrative, mood pieces for Spotify and YouTube, or even backgrounds for longer videos where you got something more emotional than just abstract shapes. And I can start to do product reviews where I tell the story. I'm using the product, but I'm actually in a live action movie doing it, or I've got people doing it for me. So that's a core music video agent. Singing, storytelling, and automatic, all living in one workspace. So guys, if all you need is a quick lyric video for YouTube or an AI dance clip for TikTok, you can do that without touching all of the agent options. From a creative perspective, guys, we've landed using Freebeat AI for a bit. It generally saves time For each song, I can try different styles, characters, and moods in minutes, instead of burning hours in an editor. That means more content around the same track, and I can quickly see which versions actually performs. It turns prompts into music, prompts into videos, audio into a visual story, and if you've ever released a song or a remix and thought, I really need a video, but I don't have the time, budget, or skills, that fills a gap. You can still go shoot a full traditional music video later, but if you don't have to sit in silence while you wait. And guys, for channels like mine, it opens up new things I couldn't really justify before, or for that matter, dream of. Now I'm gonna go and give you some other examples of things I've done here. Songs, music, videos, all produced by me. And guys, they really are incredible. This has blown my mind. So we're on Freebeat. Now we're gonna go and use the AI tool to create music. So we're gonna create our own Mr. You Who theme song, which we can use to play here. So let's go music generator. And let's go say, create a funky upbeat track. Just create and see what it comes up with. You can select the different types here, like Suno 4.5. Go 4.5 and press create and let it do its magic. Okay, as you can see under music along the top here, it's actually created the music. So let's have a quick listen to it and let me know what you guys think.
Mr. You. Oh. Yeah. Hit that play.
So you go, the great thing with that is it's creating a song based around my channel, based around myself, and that itself could be a video straight away we could use. And of course, it's still AI. Sometimes you'll regenerate a scene to fix a weird frame or tweak your prompt and style until it hits exactly what you want. From a copyright point of view, you still need to use tracks you own or permission to use, or AI songs on a platform that allow this kind of usage on YouTube and social. Freebeat gives you the visuals, and video to music can give you original music as well. But it's up to you to make sure you're using everything safely on your channel. One thing as well, guys, I love when I did the Mr. You Who unboxing wrap when I've got my singlet on. As you can see here, don't I look ripped? So I love how AI can sometimes make you look actually better than what you are, although I am pretty ripped. Overall, Freebeat AI really does feel like an actual AI music video agent, not just a random visualizer. It plans, it edits, it syncs, and it does it in a way that actually matches how creators work. If you want to try it for yourself, guys, I'll leave Freebeat link and code down in the description and in a pinned comment. It'll take you straight to Freebeat AI, and you'll see any current deals, plus a discount on Pro if you decide to go further. And like me, play around with it. I had so much fun using this, and that's why this review is probably the most fun I've done. I love creating these videos, creating different styles, creating music for the channel, and creating trailer channels as well. So have a play with it, make your own music, make a little soundtrack of your band, create a video of yourself, sing, dance, have fun, and drop a comment. Let me know what you guys have actually created. Send some links to us as well. Guys, I'd love to see what you create. Thanks for joining us here. Keep creating at Mr. You Who.